what's up? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our another video. So today we're having here the 2022 Porsche 911 Turbo S. We're gonna do full paint protection for this one, and the goal for us to give a perfect protection, 100% maximum protection. We're gonna have to take off vent right there in the side, and of course the spoiler. I already take off the spoiler. And here we're gonna have to take off this tail light, and I'm gonna show you how to take this thing off right now. So in here there was a cover under the in here, so I already took it off. So there are 3 screws inside. Now you loosen it up for you. Get this. So here are the screws. Now this spoiler right here just pops right out. Look at that. Slowly lift it up. Boom, it comes off. Right? Okay. Right? And after that, there are screws right here. This one here. I have to take it out. Okay. For the taillights. Yep. This is screw. And this thing pops right off. Here for now, we're gonna grab a plastic rag or zip rag to put the one screw together in one place so you won't lose it or misplace it. Put it there and here, and just loosen it up. And after that, this comes right off. Right. So let's put it there. And this one as well. So the screws. And this tail light right here, we just pops right out. Okay. After that, just unplug the wire. Take the wire. Grab a pick so it's easier for you. Break your nail. This red tab right here, pop it out, and then the wire just pops right up. Okay. Same thing on the other side. The white tab right there. These are the tabs. Boom. Okay. Now the lights comes right off. Okay. Next is here the tail light. So the tail light is one screw is holding it. Just take it out from there. This is the screw for the tail light. The one underneath here. And yeah, it's a long screw. Look at that. It's a long screw for that. Just hold the tail light, and this tail light will just comes right off. Just like that. Okay, and this is red tab right here. Just push it out a little bit and press it down. And the tail light will come right off. Cool. And after that, repeat the same thing on the other side. Same, right? Same thing. Yep. And then this thing just pops right off. Same thing, a red tab. Push it down. Oh. Okay. So that's it. Pretty good. It's up to you if you want to take this thing out or not. So this thing is just a clip. You can take it out as well. Yeah. Boom. Comes right off. That's a Porsche. Okay. That's it. Now we're good to go. Okay, we take this thing off, and when we protect it, we always go above that area here, all the way underneath, all the way up there. So I can say it's like 100% protection. So thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well for you to get notified for our next video. We're gonna uploading a lot of tips, installation tips, disassembling tips. Yeah, bye bye for now. Have yourself a good day. Take care. Whatever you are doing right now, be careful. Bye bye. Alright, here it is. So take a look at this. The entire thing was off. The tail light, the spoiler, and the badge, or I mean the Porsche badge in top is off. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna show you how to take off the badge, that 911 Turbo S. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to take that thing off without damaging the paint, and how to clean the glue. And yeah, that's it for now. We're good to install the film. We're cleaning again, and let's do this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And bye bye for now. Have yourself a good day.